Scenario 8, Echo 1, with a vengeance. You take the chain and dog tags from the unfortunate soldier, and for some reason, you don't know why, you feel compelled to place them around your own neck. You admire the brilliantly shiny dog tags. The admiration fades as you watch the name engraved on the tags turn from Hans Gruber into your own name. As the name changes, the chain tightens, pulling taut against your neck and throat. Still it tightens, constricting your airways. You grab a chain, forcing your fingers under its vicious chokehold, and pull, but try as you might, the chain will not break. You start suffocating, your vision starts to fade. As night seems to fall, you gather all the strength you have left and try one last time to remove it.